Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Sliding Fireplace Screen is probably one of the most practical and aesthetically pleasing additions you can make to your home, offering a perfect blend of safety and style for your hearth. Imagine effortlessly accessing your fireplace with a smooth gliding motion, while simultaneously ensuring a secure barrier against stray sparks and embers, all without compromising the visual appeal of your living space. This innovative design not only enhances the functionality of your fireplace but also elevates the overall ambience, making it a standout feature that combines modern convenience with timeless elegance. Number 5. Best Choice Products 3-Panel Fireplace Screen. Add a rustic touch of class to your fireplace with its tempered steel frame. It features an antique finish and a worn texture for a unique look. The tightly woven steel mesh acts as a barrier to trap sparks and embers. It also provides an easy-to-clean surface. Crafted from heavy-duty steel, this screen is built to last. Its 3 panels are connected by a tight mesh with spot-welded hinges for solid construction. Made with durable materials, it's finished with a scratch and heat-resistant powder coating. This promotes easy handling and disperses heat buildup. Get instant protection for your fireplace. This screen is ready to use right out of the box. Simply unfold and set it up. What we like. If you love a rustic aesthetic, this screen is for you. Its antique finish and worn texture add a touch of class to your living room. Plus, it arrives ready to use, so you can simply unfold and enjoy. What people say. The screen is sturdy and well-made, with a classic design that complements any fireplace. It effectively keeps sparks and embers contained, providing peace of mind while the fire is burning. The sliding doors are smooth and easy to operate, allowing for convenient access to the fireplace. Number 4. Best Choice Products Wrought Iron Fireplace Screen. Add a warm and inviting feeling to your living room with this beautifully crafted fireplace screen. Its simple, straight lines and antique finish offer a rustic, mid-century modern appeal. This elegant screen features a protective mesh guard. It shields your room from open flames and embers, ensuring extra security for your children and pets. Crafted from solid iron with welded hinges and a durable powder-coated finish, this piece is built for longevity. Sturdy feet ensure it remains stable for years to come. Get your fireplace ready in no time. Assembly is a breeze, requiring only the feet to be screwed on. You'll have it set up in as little as 10 minutes. This alluring accent is the perfect final touch for your living space. It adds charm to any room with a fireplace, whether it's your living room or master bedroom. Featuring a bold chevron design, this screen complements your decor. The distressed antique finish adds a unique, handcrafted look to your home. What we like. For those who appreciate a blend of rustic and mid-century modern style, this handcrafted wrought iron screen is a perfect fit. Its elegant chevron pattern and sturdy design offer both beauty and security. If you're looking for a statement piece that's also functional, this is a great choice. What people say. This fireplace screen is very sturdy and well-made. The design is elegant and complements my fireplace perfectly. It effectively keeps sparks and embers contained, providing peace of mind. Number 3. Best Choice Products 44 inches 2-Panel Wrought Iron Fireplace Screen. Elevate your fireplace with this stunning mid-century modern art piece. Its clean geometric patterns transform your hearth into a stylish focal point. The tightly woven mesh effectively traps sparks and embers, keeping your home safe. It also provides an easy-to-clean surface for your convenience. Enjoy easy access with the 2 magnetic doors. They securely close to contain sparks while maintaining the screen's elegant appearance. Setting up this accessory is a breeze. Its simple 2-panel design and sturdy foot panels allow for a long-lasting addition to your home in just minutes. Crafted from quality wrought iron with a robust mesh, this screen is built to last. The easy grab handles and welded hinges ensure a solid and reliable construction. What we like. If you want a fireplace screen that doubles as modern art, consider this option. Its clean geometric patterns and convenient magnetic doors make tending the fire easy and stylish. This is ideal for anyone seeking a contemporary look with added functionality. What people say. The screen is sturdy and well-made, with a heavy-duty mesh that effectively keeps sparks contained. It's easy to assemble and adjust, fitting perfectly in front of my fireplace. The sliding doors provide convenient access to the fire, and they operate smoothly without sticking. Number 2. Panacea Products 159513 Panel Arch Screen. Introducing the Panacea Products 15951 Arch Screen. It offers a stylish and effective way to protect your hearth. This screen features a robust 3-panel design, providing ample coverage for your fireplace. Its arch top adds a touch of classic elegance. Equipped with a double bar, it ensures stability and durability. This feature adds to its overall strength and longevity. Measuring 29.25 inches, it's designed to fit most standard fireplaces. Enjoy peace of mind with reliable protection. Panacea Products is known for quality craftsmanship. This fireplace screen is built to last, offering both function and style. We ensure products are stored and shipped according to recommendations. It will arrive ready to enhance your home's safety and aesthetics. What we like? This 3-panel arch screen offers a classic and sturdy solution for fireplace safety. Its double bar design provides extra support and a traditional look. If you prefer a straightforward, reliable screen with an arched top, this is a solid pick. What people say? The screen is well made and sturdy, with a nice finish that complements my fireplace. It effectively keeps sparks and embers contained, providing peace of mind while the fire is burning. The sliding doors are smooth and easy to operate, allowing convenient access to the fireplace. Number 1. Best Choice Products 38.52 Door Fireplace Screen. Our fireplace screen features 2 doors with strong magnetic closures. This design keeps sparks contained while allowing convenient access to your fire. Elevate your hearth with its modern aesthetic. The clean geometric patterns transform your fireplace into a stylish art display. The tightly woven mesh acts as a barrier, effectively trapping sparks and embers. It's also designed for easy cleaning. Crafted from solid wrought iron with welded hinges and easy grab handles, this accessory is built for longevity and stability. Assemble this durable fireplace accessory in as little as 10 minutes. Its simple 2-panel design with sturdy foot panels ensures a long-lasting addition to your home. What we like? This wrought iron screen with magnetic doors is perfect for those who want both modern aesthetics and practical fire management. The geometric patterns add a stylish touch, while the magnetic doors offer easy access and spark protection. If you like the idea of a decorative screen that's also very user-friendly, this one is worth considering. What people say? The screen is sturdy and well-made, with a heavy-duty mesh that effectively keeps embers contained. It's easy to assemble and adjust, fitting perfectly in front of our fireplace opening. The sliding doors provide convenient access to the fire without having to remove the entire screen. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.